To replace the lock on Skimlight's external locking poles, normally it only requires replacing either the female fitting or the ferrule fitting. In the event that you want to replace all three, disassemble the pole, take the old fitting and lock the fitting into the vise, never clamping the vise on the tube itself but on the old fitting. Then taking either a hacksaw or a sawzall or some metal cutting type tool and cut the pole. Once the tube has been cut off, take a pocket knife or a file and remove any burrs on the inside and the outside of the tube. Once the burrs have been removed, take the new male fitting and start it onto the pole. You're going to drive the pole until the tube itself has met the shoulder on the fitting. Over a hard surface such as a concrete floor, tap the fitting on 2 or 3 times, watching the location between the tube and the shoulder until they've met or they're close. You'll then take the new female fitting, place it on the pole, the ferrule fitting, slide the pole together. You now have a new Skimlight external lock assembly.